Hello friends, my name is Riaz Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with Hadoop. In my previous video, I have covered the introduction part of HDFS and I have shown how we create a directory in HDFS and this one, and how we list out the directories. Okay, I told you in my previous video that we cannot create or update a file directly in HDFS, but we can transfer a file from LFS to HDFS or from HDFS to LFS. So in this video I will show you. Okay, so I'm going to open Putty first. I think okay, now it's okay. Yeah, so Cloudera, password is Cloudera. Okay, so present working directory is home directory, that is home Cloudera. So first I will check the directories and files here. Okay, I'm going to create a new directory in our LFS path. This is our LFS path. Okay, so the command is mkdir. This is our directory name, Jan18 LFS. We already created one directory in HDFS, that is Jan18-HDFS. So I'm creating this file Jan18-LFS in our LFS path, so that we can recognize, okay, this is the LFS directory and that is HDFS directory. So I think this is created. Yeah, Jan18-LFS. Now I will create a file inside this cd Jan18-LFS. Okay, so how we create a file? Using cat command, emp.csv. I'm creating one comma separated file. Okay, id, name, salary, department. Okay, or department ID 1000. Sorry, it's a name, a 1000, salary, and D1 2B, 2000, D2 3C, 3500, D1 4D, 5000, D1. Enter, Control C. Now I will check whether this file is created or not. See, this file is one comma separated file is created, named emp.csv inside this directory. Okay, now okay, I will open one more window so that you can easily understand. In one video I will run LFS command, and in one I will run HDFS command. Okay, so this is my HDFS, Hadoop fs-ls. This is how we list out the directories and files. This one we have created in my previous video. Okay, so I will check whether any file or directory is there or not. The command is Hadoop fs-ls here I have to give the whole path. Cloudera, copy, paste. You know now how to copy and paste. You just select the data which you want to copy. Just select. Don't press Ctrl C and Ctrl nothing. Just select this and come to your cursor and press right button of your mouse. Okay. So this is how we copy and paste. Enter. So I have one directory here, that is Jan 18, then that is test directory. So no file is there. So I will take this file emp.csv from this path to HDFS in this directory. What is the command? I will show you. Control L, Hadoop fs hyphen put. Okay, using put command we transfer the file from LFS to HDFS. Now after put we have to give the source path. That should be our LFS path. Home, Cloudera. You can check here also. Just type pwd home Cloudera Jan 18 LFS and paste it here. Slash emp.csv. Okay. Space. This is your source path and file name. Means this is your source path. That is LFS. Space. Now where you want to copy, that is HDFS. The path of HDFS is user Cloudera, and in which directory I want? This one. Enter. Okay. So now this file is transferred to Jan 18 -LFS. Now how we check whether it is transferred successfully or not? Hadoop fs -ls user Cloudera Jan 18 HDFS. See, we have one file emp.csv. Okay, so this is how we transfer a file from LFS to HDFS. I'll copy this command. LFS to HDFS. LFS path HDFS path. Okay, Hadoop fs put. Now okay, I can access this content of this file. This is the command hadoop fs -cat. I'll copy this path. Using cat command we can only access the content of file, but we cannot create or append. Remember, see, this is the content. See, this is in LFS and this is the HDFS. Okay, I'll copy this command also. .csv. Okay, now in case I want to append or add two more rows, like 1 2 3 4. Now I want to add 5 and 6 also. This is the emp.csv. Okay, this is the data of emp employees. For example, tomorrow two more employees are coming in my company, so I have to add two more data, but I cannot append here. I cannot use this command hadoop fs -cat. I cannot use this command. So what is the criteria? Either we can yeah, and one more thing, like I want to add two rows here, but I don't have the file in LFS. For example, I have deleted this file, or someone deleted this file. Yes, Control L, ls. See, okay, now my file is not there in LFS, but I have to append anyhow. So what I will do, I will take this file from HDFS to LFS, and I will append here. We can use this command here in LFS. I told you in my previous video. Okay, so I will take file from HDFS. Command is hadoop fs -get. Okay, get command. Now this time the source path should be HDFS path, user Cloudera Jan 18 LFS, sorry, HDFS, and this file space, and the destination should be this. Okay, space, enter. Now this command will transfer a file from HDFS to LFS. Now I will check here. See, I have our file. Okay, and the content are same. Okay, so this command used to transfer file from HDFS to LFS. And this control destination should be LFS. Okay, now I will append data here. Here I can append cat, enter. Now my new employee is E, D2 6. D1, enter, Control C. Now if I run this command, I added two rows in emp.csv. Now again I will take this data to HDFS, but first we have to remove this file from HDFS, because I cannot place the same file name into a same path. Okay, so what is the command of removing the file? fs -rm, and this is the path. We have to give the whole path. Okay, enter. Deleted this file. rm is used to delete the file, and rmdir is used to delete the directory. Okay, now I can check hadoop fs -ls It will list out the directories and files. See, only this directory is there, no file. empcs feed is deleted. Now I will run the put command. fs hyphen put. This should be my source, that is LFS. Okay, space, this is my destination. Enter. Okay, now I will check. See, I have a file. I can see the content also. See, 2 rows are added here. Earlier there were 4 rows, now total 6 rows. So this is how we transfer the file from LFS to HDFS and HDFS to LFS, and how we update. Okay, so these are the commands that I have noted for you. If you want, you can note. And remember this point, we cannot create or update a file directly in HDFS. We can update a file existing in HDFS by taking it to the LFS, and in LFS we will update, and again we will take that same file to HDFS. But we cannot update or create directly in HDFS. So this is the criteria. Okay, so these are some basic commands. There are a lot of commands are there in HDFS, like copy from local, copy to local, cp for copy, mv for move. Okay, this all these commands we will see in coming videos slowly. So just practice. I hope you already installed VMware, Cloudera, VMware and Putty. So I recommend you please practice in Putty. You can practice here also in this Cloudera terminal. This is same as Putty. You can do whatever you want here. Same. Okay. But in companies, people are using Putty. They will not give you directly access to this terminal. Okay, that is why I recommend you to use Putty and practice, because without practice you cannot learn Hadoop. Practice is must. Okay, and in case of any question, any query, give you question in comment section. I will try to give best answer. Also, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. In future, if I upload any new video, you will get a notification. Okay, so till then, practice. Yeah, bye.